How does a robot know where it is? When you walk, you don't have to think. Your brain instinctively knows where you are in relation to your surroundings. But a robot doesn't have that ability. So how does it do it? The answer is a fundamental process in robotics known as Simultaneous Localization and Mapping, or SLAM. It's a continuous dance where the robot asks itself, where am I? And at the same time, what does this place look like? To answer these questions, a robot uses a variety of sensors that act as its eyes and ears. Its eyes are cameras that allow it to identify objects, and also LIDAR or radar, which use light or radio pulses to precisely measure distances and create a 3D map of the environment. In addition, it uses ultrasound sensors to detect nearby objects and sensors in its wheels to estimate how far it has traveled. The robot uses these sensors to build a digital map, which is a representation of the obstacles and landmarks it has detected. With this map, the localization process works like this. The robot moves a little, observes its new surroundings with its sensors, and then compares what it sees with the map it already has. If it sees a wall that wasn't on its map, it adds it. If it sees a door it recognizes, it uses it as a reference point. Based on this comparison, the robot corrects its own position and updates the map with the new information. It's a constant cycle. In short, a robot's ability to know where it is a complex and dynamic process. It's as if an explorer with no memory were constantly drawing a map of the place as they move, and correcting their own location on it every time they recognize something familiar.